What's up everyone, Billy here with Ultra Bright Lights, and today I'm going to show you how to install our UBL Hide-away. This is a powerful light and helps first responders be seen by other drivers. With a 120-degree light spread, these lights are perfect to install virtually anywhere internally or externally on your vehicle to ensure safety while on the road. Let's see how to install one into the taillight of your vehicle. In preparation for this install, I've laid out everything that's needed to set this light up nicely on your vehicle. I've grabbed a taillight to demonstrate the install, and I'm using our UBL install kit for this tutorial, which includes our UBL Hide-aways. In the actual kit, you'll get 4, but for this demonstration, we're only going to be using 1. Along with the light, you'll get a 3-ounce tube of silicone sealant in either black or clear, and a UBL 1-inch hole saw. I also have a drill and a drill bit set so that we can make the holes in our taillight. Now that I have everything I need, let me show you how to install the Hide-away. To begin, we need to decide where we want to install the light. You want to make sure that the light is head on, so we'll be cutting a hole right here. You do not want to use these holes because those are where the factory bulbs go. First, I'm going to spray down the front with glass cleaner, but you can use water. This will remove any static so that when we use the vacuum to clean out the debris from the drilling, it doesn't stick to the lens. Now, we drill a small hole in our tail light. As you can see, we've made a tiny hole right there. Now, with the hole saw, we can make the hole for our Hide-away. Before continuing, I'm using an air vacuum to get rid of any debris from inside the taillight. I'll dry this off quickly, and as you can see, there is no excess debris inside the light, so we can move on to the next step. Now you want to take a small drill bit to prepare for screwing in the Hide-away to ease the tension along the plastic, reducing the risk of cracking the housing. I want to note that working on an uneven surface makes it easier to crack the light, so be sure that when you're drilling, you go straight into the housing. Now, I'll make 2 holes in the housing where the screws will go to attach the light. You might not be able to see it, but there are 2 small pilot holes. And now I'll screw in the Hide-away. Now that the Hide-away is screwed in, I'm going to use the silicone sealant to ensure that the light is watertight. To do this, add a small bead around the light, and with your finger, lightly trace the light to make sure to push the silicone into the joint. Pro tip, use a glove. This allows for easier cleanup. Now, let's power on the light and see how it looks. And here's how the Hide-away looks inside the taillight. It's important to note that only red lights can go in the red section, amber can go in amber, but the white you can put anything in. The UBL Hide-away has a waterproof housing, quick disconnect, 3 programmable modes, and 12 3-watt LEDs. It comes with 6 feet of cable and can be used as a surface mount with the provided flange. Available in amber, blue, red, and white for single color, as well as any combination of these colors for dual color. The UBL Hide-aways are excellent lights to signal your presence to other drivers.